where it's going up now, not on the ground. So that should pack in. Even though it's a little wobbly back there, it's still got part of the frame. The front of that car is looking really good. As you can see on the 53 car, they cut the frame completely off. So that tin should pack in really nice, but that front of that car is still going to be deadly with a hit. All right, we hear those motors going. That means more cars are coming out for this main event. We should have 20 cars for this main event. If all cars have made it, we should have 20. All right, officials checking it, making sure seatbelts are buckled, helmets are strapped. They got their stick up. They're bringing them in. All right, we have our heat winner in the 219 car, driving that Chrysler Cordova. Looking good in the back and the front. Oh, we got Kyle Wilson in the 911 car coming back out. I told you, Chryslers are the car up here. Two Chrysler Cordovas side by side. Give it up for Molly Allen, that TikTok star in the 88 car. She got started trying to advertise her business and got bit by the derby bug. Car number 88, Molly Allen. All right, we got car number 91 with Cam Shot. My fellow announcer, always been doing a good job. He likes running them out here. His hometown show. Give it up for Cam Wilson. All right, in that newer car I was telling you, you're seeing him going forward. Give it up for the Triple X. You know what time it is. Car number 50 or B52 dropping bombs. Got my pink towels over there all night. We're going to get excited for that main event. He got the back end looking really good. Cleared out those tires, and that front end is looking too fresh. He's going to be putting shots on, I would say, dropping bombs. All right, the 8th car coming in. We got that Bill Creevy boat tail. You can't really see that boat tail now, but that front end's looking strong. Give it up for John Daly in the 7D car, sponsored by Sunbelt Reynolds. That sharp looking 357. Got the back end looking good, gonna roll in nice and tight. That front end looking good too. We got them cars rolling in. We got some old Fords coming in. We got the 5 car, that 59 Edsel. He's coming around the corner. All of that 60 Ford in the 22 car. But first, not to forget, car number 13 in that 04 Crown Vic. Front end looking really strong on that. He's going to be using that for sure. But here are those old Fords that we love. They roll backwards super fast. You got the 59 Edsel. You got car number 22. Those back ends pack in super tight. We got the 24/7 car, another new car. We got 3 newer cars out there, 04 and newer. He's going to be backing in so his front is ready to rock. I told you those fronts are really good. Give it up for our heat winner, the 72, Casey Prill. I told you this guy's always ready to put on a show. He loves these old Fords and he loves driving backwards. Full gas pedal going. Looking like we got car number 55, looks like an old T-Bird. I believe that's a Lincoln Continental. Those front ends are really tough too in that car 55B. Sounds like he's got that thing going too. Our next driver, he made it here the hard luck way. He drove in 2 heat races, so he's ready to go. Give it up for the 01. He got his money worth out of that car tonight, driving in 3 heat races. Gonna see if he can make that main event money. We got the second one of the Purple People Eaters in the hater car, another old Ford. We got 18 out there now. We're still looking for 2 more. Look at this main event lineup, folks. Every car looks good. Every car has a chance. We got our official Ralph going out there to make sure those other 2 are trying to get out here. Amador County, you ready for this main event? This will not disappoint. We see the tractor moving. The officials are getting in their spots. We got 18 of the hardest cars in this main event. Let's give them a good sound off. Garrett is giving them the fire up. The flashlight did get going for the tractor to put that log into place. Amador main event. Are you ready? We got the flag up. We got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get money! You're going to see those grudge matches going. You got guys out of the race coming out. Right into the back wheel of first place. He's ready to hit the gas pedal. D52 coming around, taking a look at that front end. Red flag drivers, red flag drivers, red flag. Hold up, drivers, hold up. D52, hold on. Red flag. We got the cars being shut off. They are asking the cars to shut off, and I see the tractor pulling up. Bobcat out here to fix that wood that rolled out for driver safety. It's for driver safety. It's rolled out too far, so we don't want any driver getting hurt, getting pushed into it. So they are going to ask to fix it and push it back, throw some dirt on it. 24/7 coming across that track, hit that log, and it pulled it out too far for the officials to be. They don't want to get anybody hurt out there. Unfortunate for the drivers, but we are trying to keep them safe. They are going to put it back in there. You guys see how these motors are going. Some of these motors, they have a lot of money in them. They're professionally built. They can last 30 minutes without water. They do all have the headers coming out of the engine bay to keep the engines cooler. No exhaust is run underneath the car. We're going to push that back, throw some dirt on it. I told you, these guys are not afraid to use, and girls are not afraid to use the gas pedal. Here's Molly out there. She's still rolling around. There he is. I can see the wave there, girl. All right, pick your cars you want to win. Bet with your friends. We got the little John Deere rolling out there. You got the log up against there. The officials are back in their spots. We'll get this tractor off. They are calling for you to fire up your cars. Drivers, fire up your cars. As soon as we get that log door in, fire up your cars. Once that log hits that ground, we are going green. Flag up. Green, 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 green. Ready to go. Ready to go. Taking it back to the 13 car. these cars are hot, and they start dropping fast. Give it up for Casey Brown! What? It's loud. Oh, we got him back. I'm back on. What do you think of this main event? Green flags up. All drivers safe. Go, 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 go. John Daly to the front of the 53 car. B52 using that front end, dropping bombs. And as fast as that main event is, now we look like we are down to 4. There are some cars that are still timed in. Cam Wilson over there stuck on Casey Pro's car. He still has time, but he's going to need help to get out. 911 still running slow. John Daly's over here in that field grimmy with that boat tail. Looking like he has steering issues or transmission issues. B52 with no back frame, but his front end's still looking good. And then we have B52. Trying to get him fired up. B52 to the back of the 53. John Daly's trying to win around. He's got to make a shot. He gets it on the 53. It's time to restart. Doing a great job in that Chrysler Cordova. B52 taking that donut and hitting it. three drivers. Just checking that, making sure there's no fire in the car. Thumbs up. And we're down to 3. Give it up for my boy, Cam Wilson! Great run, bud. Hard luck over there. All right, we're down to 3. Amador, you love this main event? Well, let's go green! Go, 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 go! Keep it going against these GMs. That Caddy B52 looking really good in the front end. There he gets that shot. He's back on the clock. They want all 3 to start mixing it up. Officials are giving up the let's get going, boys. B52 into the front of the 911. John Daly coming into the 911. They're crossing up the flags. They want B52 and 7D to start hitting each other. B52 hitting that John 7D in that ribby. That ribby starting to bend in that back. Starting to drop the levers. Red flag, drivers, red flag. Hold up, hold up. We're down to 3. Who wants the 7D car? Who's pulling for the 911? Who's won that B52 to drop some bombs? Pulling a few metal up there, make sure driver safety is. They are down to those 3. Got the flags up.
Who do you want to?
Green, 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 green. B52 with 21. He's stuck in the front. issues, they will let him keep running. They're checking it real quick. They did not have to hit the fire extinguisher.
Watch it down there. I want to get out of here. Bye, you guys.
All right, fire is out. Stick's still up. You see that black smoke? He's getting hot. He fired it up. Green, 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 green. We call that a double tap. B-52 double tapping. His car is really hot. He's stuck in there with those front tires flat. B-52 and 70 that have to go after each other. Fire, 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 fire. Hold up. Give it up for Kyle and the He gave everything he could with that car. Kyle, great job, buddy. Give a wave to the crowd. The lone driver out there putting on a show. And then there was two. Now they have to hit each other. 70. Who's going for 70? Who's going for B-52?
That was
Lights
sad.
up. Green, green, green.
That was sad.
There we go. These cars are not worth saving. They're going to be hit. B-52 needs that tire to come off. It's spinning all around. Try to help out.
Use the cars. Block them in there.
John Daly's pinning him in between two cars. B-52. Put a shot on him, though.